in Mount Holly has issued a winter storm watch, which is in effect from Saturday morning through late Saturday night. Hazard types: snow, possibly mixed with some sleet or freezing rain. Snow accumulations, 5 to 9 inches possible. Ice accumulations, less than 0.05 inches possible. Timing: snow is anticipated to overspread the area during Saturday morning and continue through much of Saturday night, then taper off early Sunday morning. Impacts: hazardous travel on snow-covered and slippery roads. Bridges and overpasses tend to ice up first. Temperatures in the 20s Saturday, then slowly rising to near 30 degrees Saturday night for most areas. A winter storm watch means there is a potential for significant snow, sleet, or ice accumulations that may impact travel. Continue to monitor the latest forecasts. For the following areas in New Jersey, Morris, Hunterdon, and Somerset. Winter storm watch in effect from Saturday morning through late Saturday night. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a winter storm watch, which is in effect from Saturday morning through late Saturday night. Hazard types: snow with some sleet and freezing rain. Snow accumulations, 4 to 8 inches possible. Ice accumulations, around 1/10 of an inch possible. Timing: snow is anticipated to overspread the area during Saturday morning and continue Saturday evening. The snow may mix with or change to a period of sleet and freezing rain Saturday night, before tapering off early Sunday morning. Impacts: hazardous travel on snow-covered and slippery roads. Bridges and overpasses tend to ice up first. Temperatures in the mid to upper 20s Saturday, then slowly rising to near 32 degrees later Saturday night. A winter storm watch means there is a potential for significant snow, sleet, or ice accumulations that may impact travel. Continue to monitor the latest forecasts.
You are listening to NOAA's Hazards Radio, station KW.